Cold email is dead in 2024, right? That's what you've been told all over the internet, on Twitter, on LinkedIn. Cold email doesn't work anymore, and I'm going to tell you why that couldn't be further from the truth. Back in 2021, when cold email was still new and there was a lot of abundant opportunity in the market, targeting e-com brands and booking calls, you could pitch a call in the first email. You could say, mind if I send more info? You could have the worst cold email angle of all time, and it would still work. Those same methods applied today no longer work, and people automatically write it off as cold email is dead. Let me tell you how to actually get results from cold email in 2024, even in a saturated market with a challenging offer with a tough niche. Ready? Don't pitch a call or more info in the first email ever. Pitch something like a free Loom video, the Trojan Horse Loom video pitch, free value, a resource, a free email template, a slide deck, whatever you want to pitch, or just ask if they want to hear more strategies from you. So let's go through each of these one by one. Loom video pitch, right? Regular hook. We can help you scale your revenue by 15% from your email list this month with paid ads. Mind if I share a video, not explaining further, but going over an ad strategy that I had in mind for your business? What does this do? Someone reading it goes,
wow, if I say yes to this email, I'm gonna get an ad strategy tailored to my business on a video. And the worst thing that happens is I just watch the video and ignore it.
But that is your green light to blow their face off with a really good video, right? Because if you get a yes to a Loom video pitch, that basically opens the door for your personality to come through because you're on video and you can be funny and charismatic and grab their attention. And it also gives you 3 to 5 minutes to show that prospect why you're actually the best ad creator or Facebook ads guy in the market for their niche, right? Because on a cold email, you can't really convey the value to their business too much because you have 3 to 5 seconds. On a Loom video, you have 3 to 5 minutes where you can show them why you're important. That's number one, Loom video pitch, right? Like I said, don't just pitch the video like, mind if I share a video explaining further? Go a level deeper. Mind if I share a video going over an outreach strategy or an email template or some case studies or a portfolio of our work that will get the person interested to say yes, so that you have permission to make them a video. Don't make the video until they say yes. Number two, free value, a free email template, a free ad creative, a free cold email angle, free web or a free landing page, 5 free backlinks, a free blog, right? Offer them something of value that would make them say yes. That's also not gonna blow up your fulfillment and make you go crazy. If you can find the balance between something that'll grab their attention that doesn't take up too much of your team or your time, that is where you scale the living hell out of cold email. For example, with ListKit, our free value is 50 free leads from our database. Mind if I send over 50 free leads that I put together for you?
Oh yes, I would love to see it.
I have my fulfillment team grab 50 leads from our database for whatever niche that the prospect is in. We send it over in a spreadsheet, and once that 50 free leads list is delivered, that's when we go for the sales call. Hey, now that you saw the 50 free leads and got to check them out, how does a call work to discuss a monthly package with us? It just makes the sale a whole bunch easier once they get something of value from you first, so then they can go off and say,
oh yeah, I'd be happy to hop on a call with you. This was valuable.
What's a good example for a marketing agency, right? Klaviyo agency. Let's say you run an email marketing agency and you want to get responses to cold email or to your cold email campaigns. Literally just say, I put together a free email template for your brand. Mind if I send it over so you can test it out? They say yes. You have your design team go ahead and make a really good email template and you send it over. And once you send it over, that gives you permission to basically follow up with this person as many times as you need to until you book a call.
You're like, Christian, I don't want to do free work. I don't want to run the risk of making this great resource for somebody and they just ghost me.
Guess what? If you want to sign clients from cold email, you're going to put in some free work that doesn't get rewarded, right? You're going to make some free videos, some free templates that don't ever get responded to, and it's like a waste of time. But imagine this. If you send 10 videos, 10 templates, 10 resources, and you get 1 client out of it, you know that for every 100 resources that you make, you're signing 10 clients, and you'll do that all day long, right? So that is the value of a free resource. Yes, you run the risk of wasting your own time or wasting your team's time, but so what, right? Because what's worse than that is running a cold email campaign where you're just pitching a call and you literally don't get any responses to your email and you just wasted all that, the leads list, the domains, the sending tool, you wasted all that time and money. Don't do that. The third thing is just literally pitch something of value without a template or a video. Here's an example. I love a video marketing agency because they have portfolios of their work. So my CTA will say, mind if I send over a portfolio of our highest converting video campaigns of all time? The prospect says yes. You send over your best work, and that's literally part of your sales process right there. You're getting the prospect to say yes, you're sending them your best work, and that's just gonna make it 1,000 times easier to get the call booked. Something else I really love is like any financial offer or any real estate offer, I'll literally say, mind if I send over a list of our rates or a list of our pricing to see if this makes sense? sense. If the prospect agrees to seeing your rates and you send them over, you're literally already moving the sales process along and getting a response to your cold email at the same exact time. You're killing two birds with one stone. The resource that's valuable is actually just a list of your pricing. And if the prospect likes what your prices are and they want to work with you, they'll just hop on a call and the close will be that much easier. That's pretty much the nature, guys, of cold email in 2024. I just wanted to riff on this video real quick. Pitch a video, pitch a free resource, offer more information or a portfolio of your work or pricing or some strategies you had for them, and you're going to get significantly more responses. You can use this in your cold DMs, your Dream 100, your cold emails, LinkedIn, Instagram, wherever you do outreach. Try these out. You're going to cook. If you like this video and you want more content like this, drop a comment below. The professionally edited stuff is new for me. I usually just rip a Loom video, but if you guys are liking this stuff, let me know. I'll do more of it. Drop a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new. Peace.